Nakalimutan ko ang aking bebe. No, this is for after bath in the evening. And this one for lunch. But it's already 3 p.m. and he's waiting. He's happy to see this one. So wait a minute. This is for his eyes. Eye and B. The tear stain remover solution. So yan ang ginagamit namin for him. And ready to clean. Hello. It's 3 p.m. and Chacha forget me. Chacha forgot me. Bye. Oh, it's 1 minute already. I have a dried lips for this season. Winter, but today it's quite hot. It's clean. It's clean. It's clean. Let's give him the prize. How are you today, my friends, my viewers, my beshi, my besh? So that's it, and the weather is, wait, I'm skipping my edit. That's quite hot, and I'm just done with my hand wash, and our baby here. Amya? So that's it for today. It's Wednesday again. See you on my next vlog video. Until my next one, live life to the fullest. Square and fair. Stay safe. Mwah. Wait a minute, baby.